老外玩鞭炮16，700支火箭烟花。
As the Colin First channel has hit 6 million subscribers, we're gonna get 700 rockets, tape them to a JCB, light them all at once, and run for our lives!
Look at this! Hackles up!
Yeah, that'll do.
But you won't have a clue. You're so soft, you're the shiver on the shoe. Can you feel this? Weird, creepy, it just means society has got you. So now you're a rich bitch.
Let's get it, let's go!
What you think about me? Why should a girl at least I know what to be? Okay, you'll be so late.
Lift me up! Go on, up you go, Tom, up you go, boy!
Shoot a girl, at least I know what to be.
Right, Smithy, light it! Here we go, the rocket's coming. 6 million subscribers time!
Why should a girl, at least I know what to be? Oh my God, okay, you'll be so late. Why you such a fag ass, you know you're on that thing. I don't give a damn what you think about me. Why should a girl, at least I know what to be? Oh my God, why you such a fag ass, you know you're on that thing. Well, I don't give a damn what you think about me. Why should I care? At least I know what to be. Oh my God, okay, you'll be so late. Why you such a fag ass, you know you're on the same. I don't give a damn what you think about me. Why should I care? At least I know what to be. Oh my God, okay, you'll be so late. Why you such a fag ass, you know you're on the same.
Yeah, baby! That was brilliant! Right, we got fires! We got fires! We got gas! We got fire! Smokey the Bear's not happy!
Fires everywhere.
We got fires everywhere! Oh, it stinks! Yes!
A bit more gas in there.
下期见了。哔哔哔哔哔哔哔哔哔哔，嘿嘿。